Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're catching this video, it's because you want to know, what do I need to do before I change banks? But before we dive in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so you'll be the first one to know when I upload another video. And so the first thing you need to do is to really know why. Why do you want to switch your banks? And so it could be, number one, for a better rate. So maybe you want to run the compound calculator, interest calculator, and see how much money you really be earning if you switch banks. The second one is maybe lower your fees. So maybe you have some checking fees, maybe you have some hidden fees that you don't like paying. So that could be one reason why you want to switch banks. Third one is because more convenient locations, and maybe you're traveling a lot, and so your banking institution do not have a lot of convenient locations. And so what do you do now that you're wanting to switch banks? So the first one is, make sure that you open a new account and link the old with the new. So the first time you open up a new account, make sure you begin to link the old with the new, and so you can be able to transfer money easier. The second thing that you want to do is begin to do automatic payment. So if you have automatic payment, begin to set up that in your new banking institution. So if you have automatic payment, make sure that you go over to your creditors, your service provider, and begin to switch that over. Also, bill pay. If you do bill pay, make sure you begin to set them up, which, on your new banking institution. So make sure that you do that, or your new bank account. And the third thing is to make sure that you set up direct deposit like ASAP. And so if you're still with an employer, make sure you go ahead and go to the HR and make sure that you update that information to your new banking institution, your new bank account, as soon as possible. So those are the simple things that you need to do before you switch banks. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure that you like, comment down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe. And so also in the next video, another video, I'm going to talk about high yield savings accounts. And maybe a lot of people are switching from banking accounts to high yield savings online accounts. And so in the next video, I'll be talking about that. But until then, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.